What's up, guys? Today in a brand new video. This is just gonna be a thing where I'm just gonna show you a few things that I really want to. If you want to go ahead and read the back of that, wait, sorry. If some of these are spelled wrong, I'm sorry about that. It's just how it's spelled. Sorry about that. Let me show you. Go ahead and pause the video if you really want to read all of these. Okay, sorry about that. I just paused that. So, there is the front. That is Iron Man getting exploded. And sorry, Iron Man. I mean, Robert Downey Jr. If you're watching this, which you're never gonna know. Only, yeah, if you like this. I'm sorry. Okay, now I'm gonna show you this. I made up this guy named Fire Spider. And, I know it looks like Iron Man, but, spoiler alert, if you didn't see Avengers Infinity War, click out of this. Iron Man gave Spider-Man a new suit. So, it says I'm upgraded Fire Spider, which I made that up. It's Fire Spider. If I could show you what it used to look like, I can't because I never, well, I did draw it. Well, no, I didn't. I literally, like, made a mask at my friend's, Assassin LTD, and Adrian Tang. I made them at my friend's house. There he is. So, well, I didn't make it this exact one. I made a different mask. I made a mask looks like that, except for without the hair. So, I wish you guys could see it, but you can't. Now, it's for all my squishies I have. Oh my gosh, I do have squishies. Well, I do. So, I'm gonna put this down right there. So, first of all, the one that I first ever got, this little car. I think his name is like Jackson Storm or Jake Storm. I don't know. Probably like that. I think it actually is Jackson Storm. So, Jackson Storm. There's backwards S on the side. Wait, is this backwards? Maybe for you guys. Wait, is it backwards? Yeah, it is for me. Maybe it's forwards for you, but this one is probably it has to be backwards for you. I don't know. Maybe it is. And then this is my first one. So I showed it in my few other random videos. There it is. It's a little Prune or something. It could be a Prune. Correct me if I'm wrong. My last one that I got today from my camp. It stinks. Well, for some of you guys it might smell good, but I don't. Myself, I don't really like the smell. It gives me a headache. He's a little koala. Not really slow rising, but I love it. It's so cute. It's so cute. Here it is. It's there. And I'm going to show you all the things that these were. So this one was in this. This one was in like the koala. This is the Jackson Storm, but he came in something, but I don't know where I left it. So yeah. And these are my Play-Doh stuff, and I already showed those in one of my videos. Let's connect sand. So there's the video.